Hello, Navy soldiers. IIT Kharagpur Organizing Institute for GATE 2022 has released website for GATE 2022. Now, let us see how to reach website. You will be typing GATE 2022 IIT Kharagpur in Google. The moment you are typing, you will be having something like this. You can click on this first link. You will be reaching to website. Now, let us directly go to the important dates. Okay, so my friends, you can see. Yes, opening date of online application portal 30th of August 2021 Monday. That means from 30th of August you can start filling GATE 2022 application form. Now let us see 24th of September 2021 Friday, closing date of online application portal regular period. That means if you are filling the form up to 24th of September Friday, you need not to pay any late fee. Now look at here, one more thing my friends. Closing date of online application portal extended period with late fee 1st of October 2021. That means you can fill the form from 25th of September to 1st of October, but you have to pay the late fee, right? And of course these are the changes and all. Fine. Now let us go to the information brochure directly. How to reach information brochure, I will be telling you. You will be clicking on download information and something like this will come. Click here to download version 1, release date 1st of August 2021. So basically it was supposed to be released tomorrow, but as Sunday is holiday, so they have released today itself. So let us see how the brochure will look like. Anyways, we are having the regular brochure, but I want to highlight few things. Admit card will be available for download Monday 3rd of January 2022. That means from 3rd of January 2022 you can download the admit cards. Now let us see these dates. GATE 2022 examination will be conducted on 5th of Feb, 6th of Feb, Saturday, Sunday, 12th of Feb, 13th of Feb, again Saturday, Sunday. This time you can see there is a change in timing. Last year in 2021, the timings were 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and then 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. But this year, if you see, they have kept the tentative timing 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and of course then 12:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Date of result will be 17th of March 2022 Thursday, right? Now I want to tell you the major change in GATE 2022. The major change is this. Yes, as you know, you can write GATE 2022 with the two papers. One is a primary paper, one is secondary paper, right? First paper, second paper. Now if you see, this year they have increased the number of options for second paper. For example, if I talk about mechanical, now mechanical students are having 5 choices to write second paper. AE aerospace, CH chemical, NM naval architecture and marine engineering, PI production and industrial, and of course XC. Okay, तो second paper में choices इस बार थोड़ी सी बढ़ गई हैं. They have increased. As far as syllabus is concerned, my friends, there is no change in syllabus. कुछ भी चेंज नहीं है सिलेबस का. जितना भी मैंने देखा, वट एवर आई हैव सीन, देयर इज नो चेंज. मैं आपको थोड़ा सिलेबस की तरफ लेकर चलता हूं, तो आपको थोड़ा आइडिया लगेगा. ये देखो, यू कैन सी बेटा, यू कैन सी, लुक एट हियर. मैकेनिकल का देखते हैं, आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा पीछे में जो लोगो लगा है, दैट इज आईआईटी बॉम्बे लोगो. तो बिल्कुल वही कॉपी पेस्ट कर दिया गया है ना. Yes, we are reaching to mechanical syllabus. You can see this is the syllabus as that of last year only. Applied mechanics and design, मुझे कहीं पर कोई change नहीं दिखाई दिया. As far as my part, fluid mechanics and thermal science part is concerned, everything is same. Last year they have added basics of compressible fluid flow, वो अभी भी है और वही चीजें हैं. No change at all. पीछे लोगो भी वही है. तो बेटा this is the update, okay, and